Hey everybody, welcome to Traveling on the Go. I'm in Bangkok right now, but in today's episode, we're headed to Khao Yai National Park. This is part one. What are we gonna see in this episode? We're gonna see epic waterfalls, viewpoints, wildlife, trekking into the jungle. You have to see it. Watch the first 2 minutes. I have some amazing footage from the air. You're gonna love it. Misty mountains. Anyway, before we get started, subscribe, comment. I would love that right there. And also be sure to watch the end of the video. I'm going to talk about my import company, kind of what I do, how I set it up. Okay, so are you ready? I'm ready. Let's get going. Today I'm going to take you to a place that is surrounded by legendary forests, epic cascading waterfalls, and natural wildlife. Our journey is only beginning, so let's get started. Phenomenal. Wow, look at that. Hey everybody, how we doing today? Welcome to Traveling on the Go. In today's episode, we are in Khao Yai National Park. I paid 400 baht to get inside, paid another 50 baht for the car fee. Allows you to go any place you want to go. This is about 2 hours north of Bangkok, kind of northeast. So we're gonna go through the national park. First stop, I will tell you in just a bit. All right, first stop up. Haew Narok Waterfall. I'm mispronouncing that probably, but hopefully it looks something like that. What's really interesting about this waterfall, something like 2 or 3 years ago, they had something like 10 elephants fell off the waterfall and ended up dying. Nobody really knows why they went off, but anyway, kind of interesting there. It's a pretty big drop from the top. Let's go inside. So as we go to the waterfall right here, the first one, I will tell you, we rented a car. That's how we got here. And it was around $30 a day, something like that, including insurance, which is pretty good. Traffic was super light. The last couple days, maybe more like the week, Bangkok had a little bit of a COVID outbreak, just a little bit. But we were fortunate enough to come up here, check this place out, get into the national park. So far, so good. So that's a little update. Look at this vine right here. Look at this right off the path right here. What is going on here? Oh my goodness. It's so quiet here. It's very odd actually. Middle of the jungle. I hear almost nothing. A little bit of cicadas or something, but not much. So we're approaching the waterfall, hopefully. Hey, how we doing? So you can see the massive trees here, how big in here. Goes all the way up to the top. I'll show you that later. But huge. So as you get down to the waterfall right here, there's a nice set of stairs going down. We're gonna check it out here. Drops quite a lot into a small little ravine or valley. So let's go for it. All right, everyone, so we reached the waterfall finally. Less water than before, what you see in some other pictures and videos, but still pretty cool, no doubt. So this is the one where the elephants fell off right there before. So let's take a better look. Right, going back up, pretty good waterfall. Hoping the drone shots worked out pretty well. Apparently this waterfall here has a lot more water if you come, I don't know, 2-3 months before, but it was still okay. And so on to the next stop. So right when I was filming, something jumped from the trees. Had to be a monkey. And then we're trying to make noises, trying to communicate with the monkey, which went horribly. And then a chicken in the background started trying to talk to us, and that didn't work. So as far as my skills as talking to animals, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm getting back in the car right here. We're gonna go to our next stop. Just to tell you a little info here. So I got the GoPro right here. I'm using an iPhone right here in front of me, and iPhone XR. Camera's pretty good. It's just like the iPhone 11. So normally when I'm driving in the car and I want to shoot something real fast, go for the GoPro. Just easier to maneuver right there. But if you want to get a little better quality in different situations, I think, and then you want to watch your playback quite fast, I go with the iPhone right now, just for something easy. So yep, we're gonna hit the car right here. And not actually hit the car. Get in the car, hit the next stop. Let's go. The rain coming. I put up the drone for a bit and then I brought it straight down because a huge rainstorm is on the way and it hit us. The rain has arrived. We're gonna keep going here. We're at Diao Nature Trail right here. Looks like it kind of goes around. And a bit, I was told it was a viewpoint. So we're gonna go through here and check it out. There's a staircase and we are going down. It's just off the main road right here. So we parked over there and we're kind of halfway through the park right here, the national park. So like I said, it's raining right now. There's a cool little pathway. Great little hike so far in here. It's not too far, I believe, maybe about 15 minutes. And we're hoping for a viewpoint. The rain has come about today. Whoa, I'm going down. But well worth it. Some clouds have moved in on the mountains. So you're kind of getting misty mountains in the background. I put the drone up on a small little mountain range and a little place that is kind of wide open. Take this off here. My nice pink, whatever you call it here. But really cool. You'll see it later. So we're reaching the viewpoint right here and it's looking pretty good. Yeah, definitely looking good. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's take a look. I don't want to fall. Whoa, check out this. What a view over there. So the clouds have just come in right there. There's mist on the valley. We got really lucky. You hear monkeys in the background, cicadas too, but just a really cool hike here. So we're gonna move on. Take a look. Final viewpoint here. I'm gonna get over here if I can not fall over. Great. Oh, trying to look at the camera and not fall off the cliff. That is the key. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it around here so you can see. Oh, okay, right here. And there's the rock right there. And we're gonna move back so you can see what's going on with the crazy viewpoint. All right, here we go. So if you look on some of the Instagram or Facebook profiles, you'll definitely see this popular picture and viewpoint overlooking the big rock here. So that's gonna wrap up Diao viewpoint right here. Really cool. We got really lucky with some clouds rolling in. I love that. It was raining a bit, but it made it a little bit better. So anyway, definitely go to that third viewpoint. The first one's pretty good too. We thought the first one might have been tied with the third one, the third viewpoint with the rock sticking out right there. But they're all together within like 20 feet. So anyway, let's get going. Feel the mist. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching the end of the video. I really appreciate it. You don't know how much it means. So let's dive right into it. My import company. So I came to Thailand about 10 years ago. I was teaching English, which I still do. I got into scarves and accessories, mainly scarves, because they have no size. I don't carry a lot of inventory. I took it over to the US with help with my family and my mom and my dad when I started, and then we started going to a lot of small markets. We ended up going into bigger markets. I started doing like bigger holiday shows around the holidays. Eventually went to Las Vegas, did wholesale, started working with stores, worked my way up, tried a lot of different markets, talked to a lot of different people about the best markets, and so I brought it all over. Where do I buy it all? Thailand, a little bit in China, Indonesia, Colombia, Peru, took a trip to Machu Picchu, which was awesome. But anyway, it's a little insight into my company. So when I'm over here in Thailand, I do a lot more teaching, and I do a little business from here. I get a lot of events set up, and then I go back for about 6 months every year in America. This year I did not because of COVID, but that's a little insight. If you have any questions, leave some comments down below. I'll give you some free advice on how to get started and what I've learned. So anyway, hope that helps. Okay guys, have a good one.